Hello, welcome to English for Construction. Have a great week and we're gonna learn more and more. Okay? Let's get started. Prepare for a project. Let's go. Reclaim. To take back something that was yours. The government reclaimed around 650 hectares of land to build a new runway. Compensate. To pay someone money in exchange for work done, for something lost or damaged, or for some inconvenience. Residents will be compensated for the reclaimed land. Resettlement. To move to another place to live. Resettlement is also a big problem that needs to be tackled. Site clearance. Site clearance involves the removal of walls, hedges, ditches, and trees, other vegetation and surfaces from the site. The site clearance must be finished within 2 months. Commencement. The beginning of something. The commencement ceremony will take place on Friday, May 16, 2015. Reclaim. Compensate. Resettlement. Site clearance. Commencement. The government reclaimed around 650 hectares of land to build a new runway. Residents will be compensated for the reclaimed land. Resettlement is also a big problem that needs to be tackled. The site clearance must be finished within 2 months. The commencement ceremony will take place on Friday, May 16, 2015. Okay, good work. As always, watch this video as much as you can until you remember everything. And remember one more thing, click subscribe button below to learn more about English for Construction. Thanks a lot, and I will see you next time. Enjoy, bye bye.